Hello from Björkviks Havsbad, but this is the rocky part of the beach. I visited the sandy part earlier, which is only 100 meters away, but then I saw these beautiful rocks over here, and then I said, I need to take a swim here as well. And this will be the 7th beach spot for today, here in Värmdö, in the Björnö Nature Reserve. So let's not wait any longer and dive in the beautiful Baltic Sea over here. It's 26th of July and wonderful evening right now with partial sun over here. So let's find a nice spot to get in because it's quite slippery over here. So let's be careful when we go in. But yes, this is Beach Adventures with Chris, where we explore fantastic beach spots in Stockholm, in Sweden, and around the world. So here we have some beautiful rocks, and inside the water I see some seaweed. And the sun is just again. What a beautiful day for exploration here in Värmdö. Okay, it's quite easy to get in. I thought it would be harder. Okay. All right, then we are ready to dive. Hey! Beautiful. The sea is amazing. I can't believe I just visited 7 different beach locations today over here. So yes, this is Björkviks Havsbad, and this is rocky part of the beach. There is also sandy part that is now under shadow because it's quite late in the evening, and it's beautiful nature all around. And yes, the bus that stops right next to this rocky beach is will take you to Slussen. Those are bus numbers 428 and 429. So yes, wonderful sunny evening here in Stockholm, and let's dive in once again. The Baltic Sea is amazing. It really is. So this was an episode from Björkviks Havsbad in Värmdö, Stockholm region. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and see you soon again with new beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.